Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you garden enthusiasts out there. We're going to talk about 7 amazing flowers you can plant right now to not only attract those important pollinators like bees and butterflies, but also naturally keep pests away from your garden. It's a win-win situation for your plants and your garden's health. So let's dive right in. Imagine strolling through your garden filled with vibrant blooms, alive with the buzzing of bees and the fluttering of butterflies. This can be your reality by planting these 7 special flowers. First up, we have lavender. This fragrant herb is a favorite among gardeners for good reason. Lavender's purple spikes not only add beauty to your garden, but also attract bees like magnets. Bees adore lavender for its abundant nectar. At the same time, its strong scent acts as a natural repellent against unwanted pests, like mosquitoes and moths. Plant lavender near your vegetable patch or around outdoor seating areas to keep those pests at bay while creating a delightful atmosphere. Next on our list is the cheerful marigold. Marigolds are not only easy to grow, but also excellent at repelling insects that can harm your vegetables, such as aphids and whiteflies. Their bright golden and orange hues attract hoverflies, which are great allies in the fight against aphids. Plant marigolds alongside tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants to protect them from pests, while adding a burst of color to your garden. Now, who doesn't love sunflowers? These tall beauties are not only a delight to behold, but also a haven for pollinators like bees and butterflies. Sunflowers produce abundant pollen and nectar, making them a vital food source for these beneficial insects. Plant sunflowers in a sunny spot and watch as your garden comes to life with the gentle hum of pollinators. Moving on to nasturtiums, these lovely flowers are not just pretty faces. Nasturtiums act as natural repellents for pests, such as aphids, whiteflies, and squash bugs. They release a peppery scent that insects find unappealing, while their vibrant blooms attract pollinators. Plant nasturtiums around your squash, cucumber, and tomato plants to protect them from pesky invaders. Now let's talk about borage. This herb is a favorite of bees due to its rich nectar content.
Welcome back to
Borage's
our channel.
star-shaped
Today,
blue flowers attract a myriad of pollinators to your garden. Additionally, borage is known to repel harmful insects like tomato hornworms and cabbage worms. Plant borage near your tomatoes, cabbage, and strawberries to boost pollination and deter pests naturally. Cosmos, with their delicate, daisy-like flowers, are another fantastic addition to any pollinator garden. These flowers attract bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects, while deterring pests such as aphids and cabbage worms. Cosmos are low maintenance and bloom abundantly throughout the summer, adding a touch of whimsy to your garden. Last but not least, we have zinnias. Zinnias come in a rainbow of colors and are adored by butterflies. These vibrant blooms produce ample nectar, making them a favorite pit stop for pollinators. Zinnias can also repel certain pests like cucumber beetles and tomato hornworms. Plant zinnias alongside your vegetables and watch as your garden transforms into a lively ecosystem. And there you have it, 7 flowers that will not only beautify your garden, but also attract essential pollinators and repel unwanted pests naturally. By incorporating these flowers into your garden, you'll create a thriving ecosystem that supports plant health and biodiversity. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your local nursery or seed store, grab some seeds or seedlings, and start planting these pollinator-friendly flowers today. Your garden will thank you, and you'll enjoy a more fruitful and vibrant growing season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, and see you next time.